For bounce text animation, first select the type tool and type your text and do specific adjustments. Go to Effects panel, search for Transform and drag it onto your text layer. In Effect Controls, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360. Now let's add the bounce motion. At the start of the timeline, add a position keyframe and set the value to 640. Move 4 frames forward and set the value to 480. Again move 4 frames forward and set the value to 580. Move 4 frames forward again and reset the value to 540. You will see multiple keyframes creating the bounce effect. Next, add a keyframe to opacity, set the first value to 0. Move 4 frames forward and set it to 100. Now select all keyframes, right click and apply ease in and ease out for smooth motion. For letter by letter bounce animation, select the text layer, right click and choose Nest. Now duplicate the nested sequence so the total number of layers matches the number of letters. For example, bounce word has 6 letters. Create 5 more copies. Select all the nested layers, go to Effects, search for Crop and apply it. Select the first layer, click on Crop and crop all letters except B. For the second layer, click on Crop, crop all letters except O. For the third layer, crop all letters except U. And continue this process for the remaining letters. Now keep the playhead at the start, move 3 frames forward and adjust the second nested layer. Move 3 frames forward again and adjust the third layer. Repeat this step for all remaining layers. And that's it. Your bounce text animation is ready. I post quick Premiere tutorials for Reels and Shorts. Check out this playlist, subscribe and enjoy for more editing tips.